Hi everyone, and welcome. In this video, we're going to learn the basics of using Google Drive and Google Docs. Google Drive is like a safe place online to store all your files, and Google Docs is a super useful tool for creating documents. First, let's open Google Drive. You can get there by typing drive.google.com into your web browser, just like that. Now you will be on the main Drive homepage. Now, to get started in Google Drive, we click on the plus New button on the left side of the screen. Clicking the plus New button opens a whole list of options. In this list, we will click on New Folder Alt+C, then Google Docs to create a new document. Next, we will click Google Docs right here. Great! Google Docs will then open in a new tab for us, and we will want to click the menu bar. Let's give our document a name. Click where it says Untitled Document and type in the name. I'm typing in my new file name. Easy. Now for the text. Let's copy some texts. Select and drag highlighted element. Right-click and select copy or by pressing Ctrl+C. Let us now paste the text by pressing Ctrl+V or click on Paste. When you are done with your work, let's convert to PDF by clicking File. Let us now download the document as PDF by clicking here. And that's it. You've now learned the basics of using Google Drive and Google Docs. I hope this was helpful. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching.